Hello and welcome to the English for Immigrants channel. Here, you'll learn real-life English with everyday situations, especially designed for immigrants who want to speak better and with more confidence. In today's video, you'll discover how to practice English alone every day, even with a busy schedule. Let's go! Many immigrants want to speak English better but feel lost, busy, or unsure where to begin. The good news is that you don't need a classroom or lots of money to practice. The secret is in creating simple habits that fit your daily routine and can be done anywhere. Imagine your usual day. You wake up. Before even getting out of bed, say something in English. It can be simple. Good morning. I'm tired. It's cold today. While brushing your teeth or getting dressed, talk to yourself. Yes, talk to yourself. Say things like, I'm brushing my teeth. I'm putting on my shoes. I have to go to work now. If you have kids, use short phrases in English with them. Say, let's go. Time to eat. Put on your shoes. Repeat these phrases every day. Your children will start to learn too. And you'll be training your memory and building confidence without even noticing. If you work in cleaning, construction, delivery, or as a cashier, practice the words related to your job. If you clean, say, I'm mopping the floor. This room is clean. I need more soap. During your break, read short phrases from a pocket note. Repetition helps memorization. On your way to work, walking, driving, or taking the bus, listen to English. Podcasts or short videos are great. If you don't understand everything, that's okay. Try to catch 1 or 2 words. Over time, your ear will get used to the sounds. With patience, you'll improve. One powerful technique is to repeat what you hear. If the podcast says, Good morning, how are you today? You repeat, Good morning, how are you today? Try to copy the pronunciation and tone. Do this every day, even for 5 minutes. That's how English becomes natural. At the supermarket, think in English. Instead of making your shopping list in your native language, quietly say, I need milk. Where's the bread? This chicken is too expensive. I'll pay with my card. Read labels and signs. Take photos of new words and look them up later. In the kitchen, keep practicing. I'm cutting the onions. Let's cook rice. The pasta is ready. Stick labels on objects, fridge, knife, pan. Seeing these words daily helps you remember without effort, and if you make mistakes, it's okay. What matters is using English. Have a notebook just for English. Every day, write 3 simple sentences about your routine. For example, today I went to work at 7 a.m. I made chicken and salad. I was tired, but I studied English, then read them out loud. Reading and repeating helps your brain adjust. Read short texts in English daily. It can be a children's book, a simple story, or easy news. If you don't know a word, underline it and check the meaning later. But first, try to understand the general meaning. Your brain understands more than you think. Write your to-do list in English. Buy milk. Clean the kitchen. Call mom. Pay the phone bill. Also write how you feel at the end of the day. I felt happy today. I was nervous. I had a hard day. This way, you'll learn the vocabulary that's part of your life. Use music to learn. Choose a song you like, listen, read the lyrics, sing along, memorize the chorus. Songs help with vocabulary and pronunciation without feeling like study. It's one of the most fun ways to practice English. In daily situations, use real phrases. At the pharmacy, I'm looking for pain medicine. Where are the vitamins? At a restaurant, can I get a cheeseburger with no onions? Water, no ice, please. Learn these phrases and practice until they feel natural. Repeat phrases by changing just one or two words. For example, I need to go to the store. Then say, I need to go to work. I need to go to bed. I need to go now. This kind of training shows how phrases work and helps you build new ones with confidence. Record yourself speaking. It may feel strange, but it works. Say 5 sentences and listen to them. You'll notice your progress. You'll improve pronunciation and identify what needs more practice. Over time, your English voice will feel more natural and confident. Watch videos with English subtitles. First with subtitles, then without, then repeating phrases. This helps you understand the rhythm and how natives speak. This technique is called shadowing, and even actors use it to train accents. Listen to people around you. At the store, on the bus, at work, pay attention to everyday phrases. I'm good, thanks. Let's get out of here. That's crazy. These expressions aren't always in books, but they're pure gold for those who want to sound like a native. Change your phone's language to English. It feels weird at first, but soon you'll learn new words like settings, battery, notifications. Seeing this every day teaches you passively. It's like having a hidden lesson in your pocket. Use apps but briefly. Duolingo for vocabulary, Elsa for pronunciation, HelloTalk to chat with people. Use 5 minutes a day. The key is consistency, not time. 5 minutes daily is better than 2 hours once a week. Speak. Even if you live alone, speak. In front of the mirror, describe what you're doing. I'm brushing my hair. I'm cooking rice. I'm going to bed. The more you speak, the more natural it will feel. Fluency comes from daily practice, not perfection. Let's see more real-life examples. At a cafe, hi, can I get a small coffee, please? Sure. Anything else? No, that's it. Thank you. You're welcome. At the doctor's office, hi, I have an appointment. What time? 10 a.m. Please have a seat. With a neighbor, hi, how are you? I'm good, just busy. Yeah, me too. Have a good day. These short conversations are part of real English. Repeat, imagine, practice with friends or by yourself. The important thing is to say it, not just think it. And never forget, making mistakes is part of learning. Don't wait to be perfect to speak. Speak so you can improve. Every word you try to use brings you closer to fluency. You can do it. One step at a time, every day. And if you learned something today, teach someone. Share the new word with your child, your partner, or a friend. Teaching helps you memorize. When you talk about what you learned, you become more confident in English. In the end, English isn't something you learn all at once. It's a daily journey. Like exercising or eating well, the secret is in doing a little every day. Speak, listen, read, write. Every day. Even if it's just 5 minutes. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep learning English in a simple and practical way, Subscribe to the English for Immigrants channel. Like the video, comment below which tip you'll use today, and share it with your immigrant friends who also want to learn. See you in the next video.